trust my nigga. So why they hating on me, bro? I know this nigga they hating, but they ain't showing me shit though. When they see me they take photos, when they see me they take photos. I ain't blaming no nigga, this that you might wanna die for. Versus with red, my nigga, so it's my blood. I cheat on myself, nigga, so that's my side.